Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. And it is December 15th, so we are on the 15th day of our Elvis Presley Advent calendar project. If you're new here, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I'd really appreciate it. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for all your support for the channel. I really appreciate it. If you missed the previous videos on this project, all the links will be down in the description below, along with a playlist where you can just watch them all in order if you like. And I hope everyone's enjoying this little series. I know I am. I know it's not a typical model building series, but it's kind of fun. So let's get on and see what's in box number 15. So let's find box number 15. It's right there. Let's get that opened up, see what's inside. What's inside? Oh, it is a little Elvis. Okay, cool. So I'm thinking that's probably for our display, our diorama. We can just sit them wherever we want, maybe. That's cute. Okay, let's set that aside. Close up our box. Put our box in here, and there we have more of our new picture being shown. All right, so let's see what it says in the book. All right, so this is more information here on the movies that Elvis did. It kind of talks about how he on some of the soundtracks, because he basically wrote a lot of the music for the movies. Some of them he just didn't like. Not the movies, the soundtrack. And some of the movies didn't really go over that well either, and they don't really hold up well today. But, I mean, some of them are just fun to watch. But in this particular movie, Speedway, he had a Shelby 427 Cobra that he drove, which is really cool. And there were some other nice cars that were in the film as well. A Duesenberg, an Elva M1A, a Ferrari, a 250 GT convertible. So really cool. And sometimes I just like watching these old movies just to see the cars in them. Some really cool car scenes and vintage cars to be seen there. All right, let's see what's over here for the box. It says, with today's setup, you can further vary your diorama and finish it soon. Just a little patience. All right, so not much to do here for this one. So we will set this piece aside with the other ones. Okay, so a little more Elvis trivia here. As far as movies goes, he actually made 31 films as an actor. Now that's not counting TV appearances and things like that. But 31 films, that's pretty good. I mean, 31 films is a lot of movies to be in. So that's pretty cool. All right, so that's going to wrap up December 15th. So I will see you guys tomorrow on December 16th, and we'll open up another box. Until then, friends, everyone just be safe out there and go build something.